Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. You are constructing a water channel with flat bottom and the two side walls angle up as shown. Here is about this diagram in here. So we have a 24-inch wide trench and we have W equals to number 24. That's about this one in here. It's dug out and the walls are then constructed. So in this situation, they will cut about this S and later that they bend up in here. So the question determine the length S, that's about this one, and the bend angle theta, that is about this one. So to give the maximum cross sectional area, so they want to find about this one in here. And this is why I will show you how to answer. First, we need to concentrate about this small right triangle in here. So this one, the height I will put about B, the base I will put about 8, the angle we have theta in here. So if we want to find about A and B, we have the formula in here. Sine theta, that's about opposite over hypotenuse. So opposite, that's about B, and this one, that's about S. Cosine theta, we have adjacent over hypotenuse. So adjacent, that's about A. This one, that's about S. Now we put S go to the left. So that's about B equal to S sine theta, and A equals to S cosine theta. Now if we want to find the area in here, so we have W, that's in here. So because we have 2S, so this line in here should be about W minus 2S. So because we have 2S, that's why we need to minus 2S in here. Now to find the area of this one, we have W minus 2S. Later that, we need to expand 2A in here, because this one, that is about 8, this one, that's about 8. So this is about the side of rectangle. Later that, we need to multiply by B. Next, we need to minus the area of two triangles in here. So we know that the area of triangles, that is about the base multiplied by the height over number 2. But we have two triangles, we need to multiply by 2. So we just have only B and H, that is about A and B. Now we need to know that W, that is about 24. Now we need to expand 2AB minus AB, we have AB. Now we have the next one, A and B, that is about this one. Now we need to change B into S sine theta. A we need to change by S cosine theta. So we can put into the function S theta in here. So after we got about this equation, now we need to expand again. Next, we can use about partial differentiation. So we need to do first derivative of the function with respect to s, and similar for theta in here. So this one we have 24, because first derivative of s we have number 1, and we have 24 sine theta. The next one is about 2s. The next one we have 2s. The next first derivative of sine theta we have cosine theta. The next one we have cosine theta. The next one is about s square cosine theta. So we have cosine theta with cosine theta, we have cosine theta square. First derivative of cosine theta, we have negative sine theta. Now we put this one equal to number 0. So I will do about factorization in here. That's about sine theta. So that means sine theta equals to number 0. So that means theta equal to number 0. Now we put sine theta equal to number 0 on here, and we see that the function equal to number 0. So we cannot accept this is about minimum. So we just concentrate about this one in here. So in this situation, we have about 24 minus 4s plus 2s cosine theta equal to number 0. Now we divide both sides by number 2. So I will put 12 minus 2s go to the right. So we have s cosine theta equal to 2s minus number 12. Now we keep this one in here. Now go to the second one. If we look carefully, we have s cosine theta, s cosine theta, s cosine theta again. And the last one, we can change about sine theta square into about 1 minus cosine theta square in here. Or I can write this one into like this. Now we need to change all s cosine theta into 2s minus 12, and that should be like this. So if we simplify this one, we have 3s squared minus 24s. And now we find the solution of s. S equal to number 0. If we put number 0 gone here, they still got about 0. So we need to recheck. And the last one, we have s equals to number 8. Now if we have s equal to number 8, we can find the value of cosine theta in here. So we put number 8 gone here and number 8 gone here. So we have like this. So number 2 with number 8 we have 16. 16 minus 12 we have number 4. So cosine theta equal to 4 divided by 8. We have 1 over 2. And now we have theta in here equals to b over 3. And now we can put into about the function. So we can calculate about the maximum. We have 48 with the square root of number 3. And this is the maximum we need to find in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.